Alright, well when we stopped last, I had just laid this out and cut that piece and laid this piece here. So I'm going to find the middle of it, which is 17 inches, half of 34. Then I'm going to bend this. I'm going to make it kind of a stubby one. It doesn't need to be real pointy because like I said, it's going to be on a small lake, probably 15 acres, something like that. So I'm just going to take this and hold it right there and get me a nice chunky shape on it. And this is kind of a, I don't know, many kayaks are going to shape like this, but this one's going to be mine. I can do it the way I want. For sure. So this came off here. What I'm going to do is just flip this over like this and give me my same pattern. I want to keep as the reason I'm not doing a real pointy front, I want to keep as much width on it all the way to the end for stability. So the pointy, if you have a long pointy front that goes from here all the way back to here like this, then you're losing some of that width and that stability. I'm not even sure what the field of view is on that camera, so I'll move it over a little. And this morning I had a few minutes to look at YouTube and I was wanting to watch a video, and next thing you know, the guy, whoever it was, turned the camera right into the sun and then turned my monitor, my 4K monitor, into like a floodlight. Felt like I had my photograph. You could see the little white dots bouncing in my eyes like the old days. So I just moved on to the next video. It was a shame. It looked like it would have been a good video. Let's see something. That'd be aggressive. I don't need that. So now what I want to do is we're gonna just line this up with this piece. Remember that's just the leftover from the other one. So we're gonna line it up. You can be a little short here because we're gonna shape it. So maybe shoot to there, and then take your marker and mark it. Here's some major thunder. Major thunder coming. Trying to get y'all close. I didn't mean to bump the camera tripod. cord, so I'm just using a cord I have here. Make sure that's level. Everything be cut at an angle. If I had my caulk gun handy, we could pull some of this up. What I'll do is I'll put I'm fluffing I thought I was fluffing the little sawdust off. So we'll set this on here like this. And remember, we're going to be grinding that back, and if you need any more, you can always cut a piece and put it in there and carve it. We'll do that when we need to, when we get to it. So, make sure it's pretty close. Some places might be a little overlapped or underlap, but what I'll do is you see here, that piece, this piece overlaps that piece, and then when I put in the back section here, it'll be overlapped there, so that'll give it some stability. And when you start putting the sides on it, then it gets even more stronger. But this will be the bottom, and that's what, you know, because I cut this short, there's no sense in putting that extra point on there, because I'm gonna, when I flip this over, all this will be shaped and ground down. So if anything, I might need just a little tiny piece right in here. So, and since we're freehanding all this, it's gonna take some sanding. You can always just line these factory edges up. But the factory edges aren't that good either. Line up all the factory edges, and then start gluing it up. Then we can cut some 3-inch runners for the sides so that we start building our, I guess they're called freeboard on a boat. Start building our freeboard up. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to take a break and styrofoam kayak, 10 foot. Like and subscribe.